We'll guide you through how to reset Android Auto. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're running into a problem or you just want to go and have a fresh start with it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So to go and get started, swipe up. We need to go and find settings. You can always go and search the top and type in settings, or swipe across those app pages. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and find the option for connected devices. Search at the top for connected devices if needed. Then you want to go down and go and find Android Auto. And you want to go and find the option for vehicles. You can then go to the top right and press the three dots and press forget all vehicles and forget them all. You could go and click on individual ones and go and remove it and forget it, but I just like to do it all at once. Then what you can do is you can come back to your main settings. Scroll down and we're going to find the option for apps. Then you want to scroll down and find Android Auto and go and tap there. Scroll down in here and you need to go and find the option for storage and tap there. And you want to go to the bottom right and press clear cache. And you can go to the bottom left and go and press clear data. Press delete there. And that's it. Now it should go and be reset. And you can go and try using it and see the problem solved, or you just got a fresh start. That's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish these every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you again.